Hi, my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. I'm from Shelbyville, Indiana, and this is my entry for James Charles Beauty Competition. Grab your pinkity drinkities, it's about to be a long video. When I was 13, I found makeup and all my other friends were into sports, but makeup literally became my sport. And I fell in love with it. I'm almost 20 now. And it became like my safe haven because I'm physically challenged and a lot of things I can't physically do on my own, but makeup is one of them that I can. So it's become my passion over the years. And my goal in all of this is to, like in starting my YouTube channel and everything, is to inspire others and show them that, you know, people with disabilities are beautiful too. And that we, you know, might have our challenges, but we can conquer them and be whoever we want to be. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I was just packing on my highlighter. But you ask what makes me stand out in the beauty community? Well, of course. Do you see anyone rolling around on wheels? No. So what makes me stand out from everyone else is that I want to be a voice for the people in the beauty community that are disabled. And I want to show every little girl or little boy in the world that despite your challenges, you can make it. What other palette would I be using other than the James Charles palette? Because how else would I unleash my inner artist? So being able to be a contestant on James' show would be not only amazing, but it would be a huge opportunity for me and a way to show, you know, all the little girls and boys out there that are disabled that, you know, we can be just as influential as everyone else. And we have a shot too at, you know, being great or following our dreams and doing whatever we would like. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was inspired by James' look that he just did, except I did more blue instead of purple, and then I added a little bit of yellow in the inner corner to kind of bring it all together. And as always, thanks for rolling with me.
No, we aren't ready. Okay, go.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I forgot what I was saying. Let's restart that. My bad.
Okay.
Okay. When I first got into makeup, I was about 13, and I forgot what I was saying.
Already?
Already. Okay.